Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. There are 3 questions in this video. Let's start. The first question is, how much money did a person have in the beginning? Given, he gave equal amount of money to his 2 sons and kept 450 rupees for himself. Each of his sons has 800 rupees more than him. Now, let's see how to solve this problem. Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. Let's denote the initial amount of money the person had as X. He gave an equal amount of money to his 2 sons. So each son received X by 2. The person kept 450 rupees for himself. Each son has 800 rupees more than the person. So each son has 450 rupees plus 800 rupees equals to 1250 rupees. Each son received x by 2. We can set up the equation. X by 2 equals to 1250. X equals to 1250 multiplied by 2. X equals to 2500. We need to add 450 rupees the person kept for himself. 2500 rupees plus 450 rupees equals to 2950 rupees. The person have 2950 rupees. The second question is, how far is city C from city B? Given, the distance from city A to city B is 586 kilometers 85 meters. City C, which is on the way, is 299 kilometers 75 meters from city A. Let's see how to solve this problem. Distance from city A to city B equals to 586 kilometers 85 meters. Distance from city A to city C equals to 299 kilometers 75 meters. The distance of city C from city B equals to 586 kilometers 85 meters minus 299 kilometers 75 meters. So city C is 287 kilometers 10 meters from city B. The third question is, Jose and Ben had the same number of cards. After Jose lost 19 of his cards and Ben lost 54 of his cards, Jose had the twice as many cards as Ben. How many cards had each of them at first? Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let's say Jose and Ben each had X cards at first. Since Jose lost 19 cards, he has X minus 19 cards left. We know Jose has twice as many cards left as Ben. So the equation is x minus 19 equals to 2 of x minus 54. X minus 19 equals to 2x minus 54 multiplied by 2 is 108. Minus 19 plus 108 equals to 2x minus x. X equals to 89. Each of them had 89 cards at first. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.